Hello my dear students, welcome to my class. So today we are going to discuss the remaining topic of this chapter. In the last class we discussed about plants' habitat and adaptations. What do you mean by habitat of the plant? What do you mean by habitat? So the habitat means the natural environment where the living organism can live. So it is the natural environment where a living organism can live. So the natural environment in which an organism lives is called its habitat. Each habitat is helpful for the plant which grow in that particular area. For example, we discuss about cactus. Cactus can grow well in the desert area, whereas lotus cannot grow in that same area. So the desert area is the habitat of the cactus. Cactus plant can easily survive in that kind of area. Why? Because it has some special features which helps it to survive there. So these kind of special feature which helps a plant to grow well are known as adaptations. What do you mean by adaptation? The special feature that help the plants grow well in their particular habitat are known as adaptation. There are different adaptations which we are learning. In the last class we have discussed about the terrestrial plants. What do you mean by terrestrial plants? So the plants that grow on land are known as terrestrial plants. I can say the examples are coconut tree, neem tree, etc., etc. Mango tree. It may be any of the tree which grow on land are terrestrial plants. We learned about adaptation of plants growing in desert area. We have learned that cactus is the plant which grow well in the desert area. Why it can grow well in the desert area? Because it has the special features. What do you mean by this adaptation? The special feature which plants have to grow well in their habitat, to survive in their habitat. So they have the special features. What are the adaptations of the cactus plants? So they have thick spines. They have thick spine-like stems. As you can see in the picture, in the place of leaves, they have stem-like spine-like structure. As you can see in the picture, in the place of leaves, they have spines, which helps them to store water. ये जो spines है इनके जो मोटे मोटे आपको दिख रहे होंगे इसमें, जिसकी वजह से वो अपने अंदर पानी को रख सकते हैं. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि डेजर्ट एक बहुत ज्यादा ड्राई एरिया है जहां पर देयर इज वेरी लिटिल रेनफॉल एंड सॉइल इज सैंडी. दैट इज व्हाई दे रिक्वायर, as we all know, the plants require water, sunlight and carbon dioxide to carry out the photosynthesis, to prepare their own food. So that is why they need water. But cactus have special features to keep or store water in them as their area is dry. So these are the special features, adaptations of cactus plant which can survive in the desert area. The thick and fleshy stem of the cactus store water in them for further use. Their roots are long and grow just below the ground surface, which allow them to absorb even more water falling on the ground. Okay, so let's discuss the second topic of this chapter. What is this? Adaptations of plants growing on mountains and hills. Mountains and hills mountains and hills tops receive lot of sunshine and rainfall. Some also receive a good amount of snowfall. So the trees growing on mountains have sloping branches. The leaves are thin and needle-like to prevent the snow from resting on them. The trees are evergreen and do not shed all their leaves at once. So they are green at all times of the year. Pine and fir trees are commonly found in such regions. Usually the mountain areas receive a lot of rainfall and sunshine, and some of the mountain also receive good amount of snow. As you can see how trees of mountains look like. These are the two trees which grow on mountains. Why they are looking like this? Why they are so? These trees are having sloping branches. These are the trees which grow on mountain areas, and their leaves and are thin like needle. As you can see in the picture, they have the sloping branches. Here also you can see they have the sloping branches, and their leaves are thin like a needle. Needle, do you know? जो कपड़े सीने के लिए यूज करते हैं ना, सुई होती है ना, उसकी तरह बारीक या पतले होते हैं. क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि जो स्नो इनके ऊपर पड़ता है ना, वो स्नो रुके नहीं, सीधा से स्लोप होके गिर जाए, इसलिए उनके ब्रांचेस स्लोपिंग होते हैं और इतने पतले होते हैं कि जो भी स्नो गिर जाए उसके ऊपर से नीचे गिर जाए, रेस्ट ना हो, उसके ऊपर ठहरे ना. सो ये इनके स्पेशल फीचर है. दीज आर द स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ द plants of the mountain, plants which grow on mountain, which helps them to survive in that, means adaptations. These are the adaptations of the plants which can grow well or survive in their habitat. And the example of the the example of the trees which grow on mountain are pine tree and fir tree. As you can see, they have sloping branches and their leaves are very thin like needle, which helps them to survive in mountain area. These trees are green all the time of the year.